Welcome to my channel. Elegant design and purposeful engineering combine in the 2023 Volvo XC60, resulting in a distinctive choice in the luxury SUV class. A trio of 4-cylinder power units are offered: 247 horsepower V5, 295 horsepower V6 and 455 horsepower T8 plug-in hybrid. All of these have decent fuel economy and feel good behind the wheel, with performance ranging from sloppy to brisk depending on the powertrain you choose. Volvo incorporates a standard of popular driver assistance and safety features. The Volvo's interior room isn't far off, and its strong appeal makes up for these minor shortcomings. For 2023, Volvo's familiar momentum, our design, and inscription trim levels are gone, replaced by essentially identical Core, Plus, and Ultimate trims. The Core and Plus models can be had with either a gloss or a dark exterior theme, the latter replacing the exterior chrome bits with gloss black ones. There are new wheel designs and a few features have been mixed in, such as air suspension, which is now only available on the Ultimate trim. Volvo offers 3 different powertrains in the XC60, V5, V6 and T8, all of which are combined. 8-speed automatic transmission. The plug-in hybrid T8 powertrain takes the V6's engine and combines it with a set of electric motors for a total of 455 horsepower on recharge models. The XC60 takes corners well, feels connected to the road during the ride and changes directions with confidence. The XC60 T8 can be charged at a public charging station or at home via 110 or 220 volt outlets, but Volvo also provides a handy feature that can juice the battery with power from the SUV's gasoline engine when needed. The EPA estimates that front-wheel drive V5 models should deliver 22 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. The more powerful V6 carries ratings of 21 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway. With interior styling and rich materials that mirror those of more expensive Volvos, the XC60 is like having your clad caca and eating it too. The quiet, comfortable cabin also provides accommodation for adults in both rows. All XC60 models are equipped with a 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment display that runs Volvo's latest Google-based software interface. The system provides several customization options and offers voice control via Google Assistant. We found the app's interface to be responsive, but its menus take some time to get used to. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, as is an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot with Bluetooth connectivity and 4G LTE data connectivity. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in the XC60, with driver assistance features such as automated emergency braking and lane keeping standard. Compared to its competitors in this segment, the XC60 has an attractive warranty policy. 3 years of scheduled maintenance is a convenience that Volvo buyers do not need to pay for separately. Thank you for watching.